Well, hello there. You may recognize this room. It's our RV bathroom. I'm sitting on our Nature's Head composting toilet. So I'm about to refill our composting toilet with new coconut core. We've been using peat moss for the past 2 years or so, and we've been having a little issue with bugs getting into the vent fan.
Ew!
I'm gonna switch it up and try coconut core. It's been recommended to me. The coconut core comes in little bricks and you have to rehydrate them. So we're gonna go outside and I'm gonna show you how we rehydrate the coconut core and get it to the right moisture level for our composting toilet. Let's go. So the brand we use is Coco Bliss, and they recommend hot water to rehydrate your coconut core. So I've heated up some water in our microwave, and now I'm going to pour it into my little watering jug. I did 2 batches, and that's going to be about 2 quarts of water. Not sure if I'll use it all, but I wanted to make sure I had enough to rehydrate it. So this is the brand that we chose, Coco Bliss Premium Coconut Core. And you can see, I think this was like $20 on Amazon, and it comes in these little bricks and they're super compressed. So that's why you have to rehydrate them. I believe I'm gonna try one of them first here and see how much that makes. Ideally, you wanna fill the compost toilet up to the little wheel. So let's start with 1 brick and see how that goes. So I'm gonna place it in this little bin here and pour my hot water on it. Now, you don't want it totally soggy, you just want it kind of damp. So I'm just gonna kind of start and get it all covered and stop. I'm gonna give it a feel. Okay. And there is some water at the bottom, so I'm not gonna use all of it. I would say that was probably 3 cups of water. And you have to let it sit, and it will hydrate over the next 30 to 40 minutes, and we'll be able to tell if we need to add more water to it. Okay, so the core, coconut core, absorbed all the extra water that was down here, so I'm actually gonna pour some more on here. Because I can see that the center is still hard as a rock. The edges are starting to expand, but the center wasn't getting wet. So that looks a bit better. So I'm actually just gonna pour it all on here. It seems to be absorbing a lot. So all of that was about 2 quarts of water. And now we wait. I waited about 15 minutes and it had pretty much all expanded. I started to break it apart and realized there was a piece in the middle that still wasn't hydrated. So I poured some additional water onto those pieces, messed with them a bit more, and it still wasn't working. So I actually put those pieces into some water in my watering jug to soak them completely. And that did the trick. So I put them back in and kind of mixed it all up and made sure it was at the right consistency. You want it moist but not sopping wet. Time to add it back into the compost toilet. That 1 brick made quite a bit, so I was pretty sure that it would fill to the appropriate level. And once I got it in there, I realized that it did come up to the little wheel. And that means that that box of 5 bricks will give me 5 compost refills.